Well, the Prime Minister also visited Ludhiana yesterday, where he distributed 500 wooden charkhas to women artisans and inaugurated a hub for SC/ST entrepreneurs. It has an initial outlay of 490 crore rupees and will work towards strengthening market access, capacity building and sharing industry best practices.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has stressed on greater inclusion of Dalit and tribal entrepreneurs in the industrial and economic success story of the country. At a function in Ludhiana, Prime Minister Modi launched a first-of-its-kind SC/ST hub scheme that clearly underlines the urgency and importance government attaches to the financial inclusion of SC and ST industrialists. The SC/ST hub scheme, with an initial outlay of 490 crores, will work towards strengthening market access, monitoring capacity building and sharing industry's best practices. It will also enable central public sector enterprises to fulfill the procurement target of 4% set by government from industries run by SC and ST entrepreneurs.
4% उनके यहां से लिया जाए ताकि उनको स्वाभाविक एक मार्केट मिले और उनका हौसला बुलंद हो। समाज के उन वर्गों को आर्थिक गतिविधि के केंद्र में लाना है ताकि देश को एक नई आर्थिक ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाने के लिए नई नई शक्तियों का स्रोत हमें मिलता रहे। उस दिशा में काम करने का एक प्रयास इसके साथ चला है।
Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal also lauded Prime Minister and NDA government's efforts towards greater inclusion of Dalit entrepreneurs in the mainstream industrial output. Another scheme that was inaugurated by the Prime Minister was the Zero Defect, Zero Effect on Environment scheme for the country. It denotes high-quality manufacturing with minimal negative impact on the environment. The Z scheme, as it is called, was first mentioned by Prime Minister Modi in his Independence Day speech in 2014. The Z initiative will extend all possible help to MSMEs across the country in all Make in India sectors through quality control cells. The exercise is aimed at raising quality levels in the unregulated MSME sector. Prime Minister Modi also distributed 500 charkhas or spinning wheels to women of the state and urged people to buy khadi and make their own contribution in making khadi a viable income source for millions of Indians. Prime Minister also gave away the National MSME Awards at the function. This is the first time MSME Awards were presented outside Delhi. A total of 225 MSME industrialists from across the country have been honoured. Vidusha Pawar in Ludhiana, DD News.